In this video, I will show you how to upload a floor plan to MyLobby's backend. After logging into the MyLobby backend, go to Add Rooms/Desk tab and click on Add Floor Plans button. Then click the Add Floor Plan button. Upload the blueprint of your floor plan by clicking the Choose File button and select the file. Your floor plan should be in PNG or JPEG format. In the Name field, add the name of your floor plan. Then select the name of your company under Sites. And you can set the occupancy according to your floor plan's capacity. The next step is to generate a code for your floor plan. This code will determine which part of your floor plan will be marked as available or blocked. Just go to www.imagemap.net and start by selecting an image from your PC. Next is to create your hot areas using either rectangle, circle, or polygon shapes. For this example, we will be adding 2 desks for this floor plan. For Desk 1, we will select Circle as the shape and enter Desk 1 as the title. Then we will map it to the image above by clicking on the desk and adjust the dimension of the shape by dragging the points in the circle. Then we will repeat the process for Desk 2. Please note that the title should match to your room or desk name when you set up your room's PR desks in the MyLobby backend. Once you've finished mapping the floor plan, click on the Show Me the Code button and copy the code after the second line of the generated image map out. Go back to the MyLobby Hoteling backend and under Code, paste the generated code from imagemap.net. Then click the Upload Floor Plan button. Now we have successfully uploaded our floor plan. We are now ready to add the desks. Just go to the Add Rooms, Desks tab and click on the Add Room, Desk, Office button. In the Name field, type the desk, office, or meeting room name that you put when mapping the floor plan in imagemap.net. In our earlier example, we used Desk 1 as our title, so we put Desk 1 in the Name field. Then select the appropriate box if you're adding a meeting room, office, or desk. You can also make that desk unavailable for booking. Just check the Is Blocked box. Otherwise, to make it available, check the Is Not Blocked box. Then select the location. For room category, the office booking application is designed to allocate specific types of meeting rooms, hot desks, and offices according to your designated role within the company. Access is categorized into 3 tiers: member, manager, and executive. For member, rooms or desks can be accessed by team members. For manager, rooms or desks can be accessed by managers and executives only. And for executive, rooms or desks can be accessed by executives only. Then enter the room number if available, and select the floor plan you want to associate this desk. Add a description, and then input the number of capacity. Then click the Add button. It will open up a new window where you can edit the desk or room information. To upload a photo of the room or desk, just click on the Choose File button and select the photo. Then click Upload. Once you're done, click on the Save button. Now your desk is available for booking. Thanks for watching.